Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your Discord direct messages safer. And to do that, you are going to go to user settings over here. You are then going to go to user profile. You are going to go to privacy and safety. And there is a safe direct messaging tab. Automatically scan and delete direct messages you receive that contain explicit media content. So there are three options. You can either choose keep me safe, scan direct messages from everyone, my friends are nice, scan direct messages from everyone unless they are a friend, or the do not scan direct messages will not be scanned for explicit content at all. So I like to choose this one, but when you're done clicking it, just press this button and it'll go back to your account, and it would have been saved. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!